In this video, I'll show you how you can get X-Ray in Minecraft. Now first what you want to do is head over to Google, search for X-Ray Ultimate, choose the CurseForge one right here, open up this one and you want to scroll down until you find the one for your version. Now currently I'm on 1.21, so I'll choose this one. Click on it and press download. Now after 5 seconds it should start downloading a file, so just wait. And as you can see, it's now downloading. Now what you want to do is go down here and search for run. In here you want to search for percentage app data percentage, press OK, go into .minecraft, resource packs, and then you simply want to drag this one in here. Now after you've done this, what you want to do is come into your Minecraft right here, go to options, resource packs, and choose this one. Press done, and when I will open up my world, you'll see the X-Ray is activated. So let's just give this a few seconds to generate my world, and I'll show you how the X-Ray works. So now when I'm in, you'll see I have my X-Ray on and I can see all the blocks down here. Now if you want, you can go back to options, resource packs, and you can simply disable it again, just like this. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.